Welcome to Stockly Training video series. In this video I am going to show you how to use all image, trending image, horizontal and vertical images in Stockly. Go to left menu and click on all images. Now you are on all image section. You can search images by keyword. And your search results are here. You can preview it. Download it. You can also edit it. If you want to edit the image, click on Edit button. Now you are on Image Editor. You can edit your image with a vast variety of tools with our image editor. Once you have done editing, click on Apply. Then click Done button and you can save your edited image in your local storage with desired format and quality. For trending images, go to the left menu and click on Trending Images. Now you are on Trending Images section. You can search all trending images by keyword. And all of your search data is here. You can preview it. Download it. You can also edit it. For horizontal images, go to left menu and click on Horizontal Images. Now you are on Horizontal Image section. You can search horizontal images by your desired keywords. Your search results are here. You can preview it. Download it. And also edit it. For vertical images, go to left menu and click on Vertical Images. Now you are on Vertical Images section. You can search vertical images by keywords. All of your search data is here. You can preview it. Download it. Or edit it. Thanks for watching the video.